Welcome back. It's been a while. You thought I was done with figure unboxing videos. You were wrong. So, a few months ago, I can't really remember when at this point because COVID, quarantines, all this other stuff is just, time doesn't exist anymore. I got two different figures, but at two different times. So one of them was a Kirisame Marisa 2.0 edition from Toho Project, and then the other one was Kiryuin Satsuki from Kill la Kill, and it's the Figma version. Now, Kill la Kill figures are very, very hard to get right now, at least certain ones are. It depends on supply, demand, you know, fun stuff. Anyway, so that's my first Figma, but right now I'm unboxing the Marisa Nendoroid. That's my goal today. Now, when they originally released her way back, I think was it Onefest? Can't remember. I saw the photo of like the prototype ones, and I was like, So, this is my first Toho like Nendoroid that I've ever actually pre-ordered. I've missed every single pre-order because I wasn't in the fandom until very late in the game. Now, first off, this is what she looks like. The box is like, it's not plain, but it just looks so simple. But here is le box. Now on the sides, I don't know if my camera will show it. There you go. It has these little like stars on it, which I think is really cool because her spell cards are pretty much stars. And then the bottom, and then the top. Now, I think what I'm going to do as for positions, because I have the Reimu Nendoroid as well, you can actually, there it is, you can pose her. I don't think I have the Reimu box with me right now, it's in storage. But I think what I'm going to do is I'm just going to do her standard pose. Just because it's a good pose. Although her smiling one is really cute too. But anyway, her standard pose is going to be pretty good, you know. And one thing I noticed, she has like interchangeable hands, which is really cool. But I'm going to start opening it. So the cost of this Nendoroid. So the reason why I have it right now instead of the delays is because I'm in the process of canceling my Good Smile Company order. So I do not have the pre-order bonus, unfortunately. I'm sad about that. But I'm so sick and tired of the delay emails, the Japan Post suspension emails, and all that other stuff saying they can't ship my stuff. And I just got tired of it, so I went to Ami. Thank you guys. Saw both my figures on ready to buy and ship, and I bought them, and then I started the cancellation process on the other one because I didn't want to miss out on my chance. So this one was about 70-ish, 75-ish, so about the same price as the one that I got on Good Smile. Same with the Figma. So it was relatively 180 with the shipping and everything, which isn't that bad. Pricey, but hey, I finally have the figures. Anyway, I'm gonna start unboxing here. I'm excited. Oh, and by the way, I don't know if you noticed, but I got a new bed, so I have a complete new setup here. Ami is a good site to buy from, by the way. On here, there's like campaign stuff. Nice. Alrighty. So it comes with her instructions, obviously, and it's kind of double layered, as you can see. So this is the back of the packaging, and then the front. Comes with her face plates and everything. Okay. So, gotta cut that. There you go. Her hat is big. So here is, ooh, Nendoroid smell, ooh. But yeah, so you have like her little sitting formation on the top with like hand pieces. You have her Master Spark, and her giant hat, because all Touhous have hats. And then this one you have her little teacup, you have her, you have her little poses, oh, and little sleeves and everything. And her broom, obviously her broom. But anyway, I'm going to start with getting this out because this has her stand. Oh, and that's an interesting thing. I just noticed this. Most of the Nendoroids that I buy, their stands come in a completely separate, like plastic baggie. This one is actually in the plastic. It has its own little mold. I wonder if that's a new thing that they're doing. That's really cool, by the way. Anyway. I see there's tape here, but oh, no, that's just, okay. I also need her hat, so I'm getting that out now. Now, I don't know. I think I'm gonna need this hand. I think. Wait. Okay, I'm also getting that hand out just in case. Okay. That's going right there. Alright, and now on to the main figure. Excuse me, let me get that closer. Okay, so now on to the main figure. Now, as you know, I love Touhou stuff, so like as soon as she went on a pre-order, I instantly bought her. Because I love Touhou. Now, if they can come out, if Good Smell can come out with like a Remy 2.0 or something, or maybe new Touhou Nendoroids just in general, I would be very happy, because Touhou is love and Touhou is life. So, sorry, I'm having to like constantly move this. Trying to get a better angle here. Okay, so. Okay, so a little teeny figure. So one thing I noticed, this one in particular, it's kind of like the Patchouli Knowledge Nendoroid, where it has like a split down the middle. And I think most of the older Nendoroids have it, or a lot of Nendoroids have this now. So hopefully this won't get loose over time. Just trying to get this on. So that's gonna go like that. Now I need to get her. Wait, there you go. Ah. Very well made Nendoroid, by the way. So Marisa Kirisame is the ordinary magician. She's one of the playable characters in Touhou Project. Oh, and I just noticed, trying not to upskirt here, but she has these two little holes on the bottom because there's these pieces that connect to the broom that allow her to fly on the broom. Now, I'm not going to use it, but that's a very smart thing that Good Smile did. There we go. Ooh, I probably should have put her... Darn it. Off we go again, off with her head. Some of the pieces are stiff. Oh, it's the other way. Duh. Excuse me while I figure this out. Hold up a minute. Okay, I figured it out. So there was a really long piece because that is for her when she's flying on the broom. So I didn't notice that. I figured it out though. I've solved the mystery. Okay, so broom. Nendoroids are complicated, but I have a ton of them. Alright, so I figured it out. I had it on the wrong way because the hair won't go if you have it anywhere else. Nendoroids are picky. See, that was poor design on this part. There you go. I don't think that's in all the way, but like, what else can I do here? Because like, the hair makes it really hard to do anything. Oh, and I forgot to have her arm because she's doing the little. So let me get that. So I like Nendoroids, but sometimes they could just be so difficult to put together. I don't know what it is about it. Maybe it's just design choice, but my goodness. Probably should put this in before the head. Oops. My bad. Okay. So, there we go. I can't do this with nails. Yeah, okay. Make sure I had the right hand on, because that would have been embarrassing. So far I like the design of this new Nendoroid, but it could have, you know, improving qualities, especially like with the poses and stuff. But considering the fact that like the original ones, the 1.0s I guess, didn't have very many poses either and their stands were old. Let me see. Is this... There's a little film thing here. I don't know if that goes on there. I'm just gonna check to make sure. Yeah, okay, yeah. So that's to position the hat. So you just kind of open up that. Give me just a second here. There you go. And there she is. So, this is Kirisame Marisa. I love her new design. Her original one, the face was a little bit like cartoonish, which is fine because they were the really old ones. They came out years ago. But I overall really like it. But this one you can kind of like pose it however you want. I may or may not change the poses over time because I have other ones that I want to match up to each other. But overall, if you really, really like Toho Project, I do recommend this Nendoroid. I do want to get the original one just for nostalgic purposes. But again, if you want to get a Toho Nendoroid, I do suggest getting this one because I think it's so cute. Its design is a lot better than the older one, but you know, they're both great. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you in the next unboxing with Satsuki. Have a good night.